How to find Gmail account by phone number. Hello everyone, it's me Iskar, and if any day you would like to find out your Gmail account by your phone number but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device. You have to find the Google Chrome on your mobile device and then tap on it like this. After tapping on it like this, you can see an interface like this. Now here in the search icon, you have to search Find My Account. After you search that, now you have to tap on the first option, that is Find My Account. After tapping on it, you can see an interface like this. Now here in the option of phone number, you have to tap on your phone number here. You have to tap on the phone number whose Gmail account you would like to search. After just tapping on the phone number which Gmail account you would like to search, you have to go to the next option. Then here in the option of first name, you have to tap on the first name there, and in the last name, you can also add the last name. Now here you can just add in the last name if you want because it's optional, and then you can go to the next option. Now here you will get a verification code, you can send it, and this way you can find your Gmail account with the help of your phone number. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.